Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. So, you came across this video because you want a private BeamMP server. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that for free, completely for free, because I have not found a single tutorial for this anywhere on YouTube. So, I decided to make everybody's lives easier and just make it for you guys and have it up on YouTube. So, here's how to do it. First, you're going to need playit.gg right there, as you can see. You need BeamMP server, which I'll show you how to get all of these, and a Discord account. This is self-explanatory. You probably already have one if you have a computer, so I'll show you where you need to use that. Alright, here we are in a virtual machine, since my computer already has all that, and I just want a fresh start so I can do this for you guys. First of all, we're going to go ahead and go to Chrome. Then first thing we're going to get is Playit. So you're going to go ahead and hit playit.gg and bring you to this website right here. Don't need premium, you can do it for free. You'll be fine. Then go ahead and make an account or log in if you somehow already have Playit, but most likely you might also want to create a new account. Since I have one, I'll just put my stuff in real quick. Alright, so yours is going to look like nothing, but since I've used playit.gg on my server and whatever, you just have to pretend that you don't see any of this. You see absolutely nothing. I've already used it before. This is why it looks like that. You're going to want to go over to agents. You're not going to see that because that's my computer or my server. You're going to hit download agent, Windows, and hit download. Let that download. And then go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and go through the Playit wizard setup. Just go ahead and just spam next. Just keep going through there. Hit yes. Now we're just going to keep setting up Playit real quick. We're going to go ahead and double click it, open it. Then there's that, there's your IP, there's all that. I'm going to blur all this stuff out because it's private data for me, but it'll show you what your IP address is, what your program, your location, and your ISP. Alright, hit continue. You're going to name it Beam. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it BeamMP, but right now I'm just going to name it for YouTube. Just go ahead and hit add agent. Let it do that. Then I'm going to go ahead and just go view agent for right now. There it is. So if it doesn't say connected, you might want to have to open your terminal and then just go ahead and make sure that says connected. Have to go here. I'm going to go BeamMP.com. Now you're going to go ahead, scroll, and do that. Host it yourself. Windows server. Let it download. And then open it. And there it is. So, it'll open this terminal. You can just go ahead and close that. Then go to your File Explorer. Go over to your downloads. And then the two files will be there. Now, what I would recommend you to do is just go ahead and make a folder on your desktop. Just name it BeamMP. Open that folder. And then go ahead and just highlight these two. And just move it into your BeamMP folder. So it all stays in one spot and you don't have to mess around with it. Because once you want to open this server and play with your friends or whatever, you'll have to open the BeamMP folder and then start it, because if it's in your downloads folder, then you have to scroll through all your downloads and it's a pain. So you just want to do that. And here is your BeamMP server. You want to go to serverconfig.toml. TOMLO, that's crazy. And if it says this, just go to your notepad, and always. Alright, here's your config. Now, the port, you can leave that alone. You can adjust it, or it doesn't really matter, but just leave it if you want it simple. You can adjust your max cars, so we're just gonna have 2 for right now. Max players. Have your map. If you want to add a custom map, you very much can. You just have to put the name in. If there's a space, put the underscore there, all lowercase, and you'll be good. Now, back when you open the terminal, it'll say no auth key. So you want to do that. So we're going to do that. Go ahead and open Chrome. Now, open Chrome and go ahead and enter keymaster.beammp.com. It'll take you to the BeamMP keymaster. This is where you need the Discord account. I'm on my main computer because I don't have my Discord logged in on the other computer. I'll go ahead and sign in with Discord. And yet again, if you don't have a Discord, just go ahead and make one really quick, and you'll be good. Just go ahead and authorize that. Once you got that, you're just going to have to go over to auth keys. Now, I have 2 of them, so we will use that one. So when you make one, you just need to go ahead and go up here, and then create a key, do all that. I can't do that right now because I have too many keys. Close that. Once you get that key, just go and copy it, and then put it in your server config. Go ahead and hit File, Save, close out your notepad, then open BeamMP server. And if it says this, allow that. You're going to want to allow this, because if you don't do that, then it's just not going to work at all. As long as it says all systems started successfully, everything is okay, you're set. Now just leave that open, minimize it if you want, close the folder. Now go to here, go to your agents and play it. Go to your agent that you made earlier, or no, go to your tunnels, create a new tunnel, name it BeamMP. I'm going to name it -YouTube tut, because it's tutorial, obviously. Hit next. Now, since today is June 13th, June 13th, 2026, we have all this. So let's go ahead and hit BeamMP. Next. Now, since we're free, or that's like the only thing you can have, is Miami. Next. And assign it to your agent. Hit next. Now, I believe that you can just leave everything how it is, and it will work. I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Now you just go ahead and hit next because it's already running on your local computer. So yes, that is how it works. Just go to create tunnel. There you go. There is your number for BeamMP. You don't have to copy this and put it in BeamMP. If you want other friends to play on it, you have to give them this number. Now we're just going to go ahead and close this. Close Chrome because we don't need it anymore. Launch play it. And there it is. Now you have 2 terminals running. When you're running BeamMP, you're going to have 3 tunnels. So what I like to do is go hit this, make a new desktop, and take both these and put them on your second desktop so you can release the clutter. Now you're on one desktop, you have BeamMP, and it won't show you anything. You go here, you have all BeamMP and your logs for your server. Now just like that, I'm pretty sure that's it. Now that you have Play It, a port forwarding service that allows your other friends to connect to it with your IP address, which is what you need to connect to this, because it is running on your computer right now, allowing you to actually use this. So we're gonna go ahead and test this. I need to get out of this virtual machine. Come on. Let's go ahead and launch BeamMP. Okay, once you have BeamMP loaded up, you're just going to go ahead and go to More, go to Multiplayer, Now, currently, right now, there was a cyber attack, so there's no account for BeamMP. Don't need to worry about that. Just go ahead and play as guest. Now you're going to go ahead and go to favorites, because you're probably going to use this more than once. And then you're going to have to go to add custom server, add the name, server IP, leave the number, but for right now, because I'm not going to use the server again, I'm just going to go to direct connect. Now, you're going to want to put the playit.gg IP in here, so copy that and add it right there, and go ahead and hit connect. And just like that, you have made your own private BeamMP server. You're set to have your own cars. You cannot have mods unless they're added to the server, which I'll show you that in a little bit. But of course, spawn cars, play with your friends, crash them, destroy their lives, whatever, do all that. There you go. You have just made your own BeamMP server completely for free, instead of having to pay $5 every week or something like that for hosting it. Okay, back in my virtual machine, you can see the logs that have happened. That is me connected to the game. That is exactly what you want it to happen. Now, when you're done, you can just go ahead and close these two out. Don't worry about them anymore. And close this desktop too. Now, here are some things you could do. You want to add mods? Go for it. You can go ahead and open File Explorer. You can go to Resources, go to Client, and add your .zip files for mods and maps. If you want maps, just go to that config file and edit the namespaces. There's an underscore, all lowercase. You can add a custom map if your computer can handle it. But you can add all your mods in here, your custom cars, your config things, whatever you want. You can put them in here if you want you and your friends to use it together. So just like that, you have made your own private BeamMP server just for free in less than 10 minutes, maybe. I don't know. 5-10 minutes. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, please let me know down in the comments. Hopefully if this video blows up, please. I really want a video to blow up. But yeah, just like that. See you guys later.